Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Poppy from Trolls Band Together. So let's get started. To draw a cute Poppy, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, pretty close, and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that her eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come to the sides right here and just draw 3 thick lashes. 2 and 1 more. So same thing over here. Maybe the center one can just be slightly longer. And 3. There. And then from there, let's go ahead on top of this eye. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve over for her brow. And then let's see, we're not going to draw the other side because she has a strand of hair that's covering that. So now let's go back to the center and draw her nose. So right in between the eyes, about right here, really close, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then we're going to draw 2 more on the sides. So one here, smaller, for this troll nose, both sides, and then we're going to connect it at the bottom with another curve. There. And then let's give Poppy a big smile. So say about right here, kind of where her eye is, underneath, really close to the nose. Let's go ahead and draw a curve right underneath the nose. Go slightly upwards, and then we're going to thicken it up. Not too much. So say about that much, and then go ahead and just connect it all the way back up. Then let's come back to the center, about right here. And we're just going to start to curve some teeth. So whatever space you have, and draw as many teeth as you can fit. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for her tongue. And cap it off. There. Okay, so then now we need to frame her face. So I'm going to come to say like the center of this, let's say about right here where the nose is. I'm going to come out nice and wide. So we're just imagining this wide face. So let's say like where the nose is, the center. I'm going to come out, let's say about right here. So same thing on the other side, about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right on the sides of the nose, and then I'm going to come back to the center and right underneath the mouth, really close. I'm going to give myself another point. So this just helps me figure out my curve. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect this. So I'm just remembering that this is a wide curve. I'm going to bring towards my point, and same thing here. Just helps me draw, because I'm drawing pretty big, so it helps me see where I'm going. There, so nice wide curve. Then from there, we need to come back up. So let's say the side of her eye. Just come up, about say right here. I'm just gonna give myself a point, about right there. And I'm gonna start to part her hair. So I'm gonna draw 1 strand, side, and then there's gonna be another strand that touches. That doesn't touch, but gets really close to her eye. So draw these 2 curves, and then I'm just going to go ahead and thicken this up and bring it up. And same thing here. Then from there, let's come back to here, and we're going to draw another big curve out. So we're passing this, and same thing here. About right here, draw another curve. So just framing it back and forth, going. And then let's say about right here, this is where we're going to go ahead and pop in a part of her ear. So we're just going to draw a curve to finish it up, and same thing here. Just want curve going up. Then from there, let's come back up to this point, go straight up to about right here. I'm just imagining a curve. So same thing here, go straight up, same level, and then we're going to draw a curve right over. So this is going to be the start of her crown that she has. So right over her head. And then let's bring this down a little bit more, and then I'm just going to start to finish off her hair. So I'm just going to curve a bunch of zigzags to finish this part off. And maybe one more. There. So same thing here. Just bring it out a little bit more. And once again, just zigzag. There's no right or wrong way. You just want to fill this area with her hair. There. And come back in, put in as much detail as you like. Okay, so then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish it off. Then we're just going to come back about right here where her ear is, and we're just going to finish off her ear. Nice big troll ears. So same thing here, go up right there, just like the other side. Just imagine it coming through. There. And then you can come in here, well actually on this side you can probably see it. I'm just going to add a curve for some detail on her ear, and this side I'm not going to see it, so I'm not going to draw anything. And let's see, that is pretty much it for her face. So now let's go ahead, we're going to thicken up her crown, the band. I'm going to come right here, go all the way across. And then let's draw her crown. So let's find our center. So about right here, I'm going to come back on both sides. I'm just going to draw this tall leaf shape right here. And we're going to draw one and another one, smaller one right here. So same thing on this side. Then the smaller one, just to finish it up. And for a little detail, draw some dotted lines. There. And then we need to finish off the rest of her hair. So let's come back up about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve going up. And I'll just give it some curves so it's not so stiff, and then we're just going to end it about right there. This is her hair. And so same thing on this side. Just draw a curve, and then we're bringing it down. There. Okay. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw a tuft of hair that's sticking up. So find your center, say about here and here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to go up, and I'm just going to start to zigzag. Up and down, back and forth. I'm just changing it up. So say here, a small strand, I'm coming towards the center. I'll start going the other way. And same thing on this side. We just want to come back to here. So sometimes big and small, and come right back. There. How cute, right? Then from there, that's pretty much it for the top of her head. That's where all the detail is. Then let's go, oh, actually I need to show you how to draw this part. I almost forgot. So there's a braided band right here. So I found the easiest way to draw this braid is if you can come to the center. Just imagine there's this center line going through. I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to go ahead in the center. I'm going to draw a curve coming down. So notice how it just slopes. It go up and then down. Give it a little curve and then down. So I'm just going to go that all the way across. See, it's just like a little wave. And one more. So So however many you can fit. And then the top part, let's see here. I'm going to start, let's say the center of this one. I'm going to go the opposite way now. So there. So every one of the centers, now you want to go the other way. So you're curving up there to create that braid look. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. Curve. Got a little too low at the bottom, but hopefully you get the idea. There. Okay, so now from there, let's go ahead and draw her body, which is much simpler. So I'm going to come find my center. So say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw an angle line down. So thank you, cuties, for helping me vote on my community page which outfit you wanted me to draw Poppy in. So say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and just connect to her little knitted dress. And then for her feet, let's go about right here. So we're going to find 2 angle lines. Same thing here and here. And then let's go ahead and connect for her little knitted sock. So just pop it out a little bit, but we're still going down at the same angle. And then about right here, I'm just going to pop it out a little bit as if we're drawing a shoe. Then we're just going to go ahead and go across with a curve and connect. Then let's come back in here and connect with a curve. Then come right here with a curve for a big toe, and then 2 smaller ones for the little toes. So same thing here. So although you voted for this one, this outfit, I really like the cloud dress too. So I think I might draw that one too. Oops, sorry. Well, right here, we're going to pop this out. And then once again, connect. And once again, right here, we're going to draw the big toe and then 2 smaller ones. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her hands. I'm going to have them out. So let's say about right here. Just going to come out. So it's a little bit wider towards the end. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a thumb and then 4 fingers. 2, 3, and then back. So same thing on this side. Right there. So about the same distance, and then once again, a thumb and 4 fingers. 3, and then connect. And then on this hand, she has a bracelet, so I have to draw a curve right here and another curve, and I'll go in there and erase that. And then last but not least, I'll add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Poppy from Tro's Band Together. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you love how she turned out. And if I helped you draw her fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.